Look at this TikTok page. It has more than 410,000 followers and 5.9 million likes. Every video has millions of views. And what kind of videos are they making?
These images have all been created completely by AI using a brand new open source model called Flux One.
They are actually making videos on various AI tools. You can also create this kind of video. But what if you don't have a proper idea of how to make videos? Don't worry, you can still create videos like this.
AI art image generation, it's absolutely blowing up lately, it's everywhere. Today we're going to talk about...
Don't worry, this video is not made by Steve Harvey. It was made by an AI tool called Similarvideo AI. And today I will share the method of making this kind of video. Let's dive in. Similarvideo AI is basically an AI video generator, but here you can make videos with various meme material, making the video more engaging. You can take inspiration from any other video by entering the link. To start video creation, simply click on the Start for Free button from here. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. There are two options available to create videos. The first one is create a similar video, and the second one is text to video. The first option is for those who want to take inspiration from another video and make a similar one. And if you already have a video idea and script, the text to video option is for you. Let's start with the first option. After coming to this page, you have to enter the reference video. You can enter YouTube or TikTok video links, or upload a video from your computer. For example, I want to make a video like this TikTok video. So, I am copying the video link and pasting it into Similarvideo. Next, we have to enter the product or brand name. The video is about Flux One, so I will go with Flux AI. After that, enter the product description in this box. You can skip it, but my suggestion is to enter a proper product description like me. Since Flux One is an image generation model, I entered some details about it. Next, you will find the media option. If you already have some media files, you can upload them here. I am skipping this time. Once everything is set, hit the Similar Script Rewriter. Now, the AI will clone the video and rewrite a fresh and new but similar script for us. And here it is. The script is ready. On the left side, you will find the original video transcript text, and on the right side, we have the newly generated fresh script. If you want to customize the script, click on the Edit button here. After customizing the script, hit the Save button. Now, to move forward, hit the Next button. On the next page, we have to choose the visual style. On the left side, you will find 4 different types of styles. The first one is Begin with a hook. The second one is with only B-roll footage. The third option is with a celebrity sticker. And the last fourth one is Begin with viral voiceover. After reviewing all the video styles, I think Begin with a hook will be perfect for us. Now, we have to choose a hook from here. You will find a vast number of viral meme hooks. For example, we want to use a Steve Harvey meme hook. You will find 3 clips. Preview them and use the perfect one. Once you are ready, hit the Generate button. Now it will take some time to generate the video. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready.
If y'all ready, let's do it. These striking visuals were all generated by an innovative open source model called Flux One. In this video, I'll guide you through the process.
It generates a great video, but uses only stock videos. Since we want to make a tutorial video like this, we need to enter the dedicated videos. Don't worry, we can enter external videos. So, what do we need to do? We have to follow the script and record the workflow as per the script. In the first scene, it talks about the Flux One image generation model. So, we need Flux One model-related footage. This is the Flux One image generation model's official page. You have to record the image with a screen recorder. Since our video is in portrait mode, it will be best to record with a mobile screen. But if you are unable to do so, you can enable developer mode in the browser and then record this selected area. Once the recording is completed, save it and then upload it to Similarvideo. In the next step, we have a tool called Shaker AI, where we can use Flux on AI image generators. So I am recording this part and then uploading it to Similarvideo. In this way, follow all the steps according to the scene script and then upload the recorded video to the related scene. Now, under every scene, you will find some options. If you want to add an auto-generated scene, you can do it with this button. If you want to add a blank scene, you can do it with this plus icon. The next option is to add filters or effects to the scene. Here you will find a vast number of effects. Use them as per the scene demand. Next, you can move any scene up or down from here. Lastly, with the three-dot menu, you can delete or duplicate any scene. In this way, preview and customize all the scenes. Once the customization is completed, go to the Settings tab. Here, you can adjust the music and subtitles. If you want to change the background music, do it from here. Next, adjust the music and vocal volume here. After that, go to the subtitle section. First is the animation. Here you will find 3 different animation types: color up, bounce out, and typewriter. I think bounce out will be perfect for us. Next, set the caption style. This time I will select this one. After that, set the font and color of the caption. Finally, set the position. If you slide this bar to the left, the caption will move to the top, and if you slide it to the right, it will move to the bottom. I will keep the caption in the center. Alright, we are done. Now you can export the video. But before that, some other important features need to be discussed. First is the translation feature. With this feature, you can translate your video into more than 30 languages. Just select the targeted language, and it will automatically translate the video. This is the Spanish version of the video.
If y'all ready, let's do it. Todas estas impactantes imágenes fueron generadas por un innovador modelo de código abierto llamado Flux One. En este video, lo guiaré a través del proceso de usarlo en dispositivos Windows y Apple.
It's just amazing. So, now you can create videos in more than 30 languages even if you don't know the language. Isn't it a great feature? Let me know in the comments section. Another important feature of Similarvideo is that you can edit the video in timeline mode by clicking on Edit in Timeline. This is the timeline-based video editor. It's very important for those who make tutorial videos like us because we need to speed up some video clips to clarify the context. The scene editor doesn't provide this option, but now you can do it from here. It's basically an entry-level professional editor. It's user-friendly, and everyone can use it to create captivating videos. Now customize the video as per your needs. Once you are done, hit the export button. It will take some time to render the video. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. Our video is ready. Let's have a look at the final video.
If y'all ready, let's do it. These striking visuals were all generated by an innovative open source model called Flux One. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of using it on both Windows and Apple devices, whether you're a beginner or looking for advanced functionality. For beginners, the simplest method is through Shaker AI. First, you'll need to go to shaker.ai, then select one of the pre-built Flux One models from here. On the next page, just click on the Run button, and you're ready to start creating. If you're at an intermediate level, begin with Stability Framework on either Windows or Mac. Install Stable Diffusion's Creator UI next. Within the Creator UI, navigate to Models, search for Flux One, and download or import it into the Models folder. Launch Creator UI, and you'll be able to access Flux One from your browser directly. For advanced users, consider installing Comfy UI. Utilize Stability Framework for this.
I think it's a great video. So now, we can create clones of any video, give them a professional touch, and make them more interesting with celebrity hooks. This will increase the chances of going viral on TikTok. In conclusion, Similarvideo AI could be a game changer for content creators. So don't forget to experience the capabilities of Similarvideo. Try it yourself, as it gives you the opportunity to try it for free. The most fun news is that you can enjoy the first month standard plan only for $15 by using the coupon code AI Lockup Fans Code. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience generating videos with Similarvideo AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.